Hey guys, this is Pete Wenzel speaking, and today I will show you how to get involved into stop motion animation for brick films. This will be with less effort just to get to know if this could be a hobby of you without spending hundreds of bucks for hardware or software. So first of all, you need to clean your desk from pointless stuff. I mean, school books are not pointless at all, but useless for making brick films. So never forget to keep being attentive in class. Now build your set on the new free space on your desk. Keep in mind, it is the first time you are doing stop motion animation. So no massive crowd scenes or extensive effect scenes. My personal recommendation is to have a car driving around the streets or a boat on any kind of water. For taking the pictures, you need a camera. It's not feasible to buy an expensive camera for your first try. Instead, use a webcam or your smartphone. Or maybe your mother's or your father's smartphone. But always ask before using it. Then go to the App Store and have a look for a stop motion app for free. It doesn't really matter which app you're using, but I will do the next steps with a free version of Stop Motion Studio. Even for absolute beginners, it is not useful to shoot with a handheld camera. Instead, use any kind of stabilization. For the first stop motion experience, you could use a self-made construction done by Lego for fixing your camera. Now check your battery level before starting shooting. If your device is on low power, use a power supply. Select New Movie. Go to the options and set the replay speed to your target frame rate. For brick films, we will do 12 frames per second. Use the camera symbol to get to the recording screen. On the left side, you got the onion skin settings. This great feature is for blending the current and last frame together in the viewport. The stopwatch symbol is for automated cyclic picture taking. This feature could be useful for time-lapse photography, but in most stop-motion use cases, it is not really helpful. Set the focus of your scene by touching the display at the point you would like to have in focus. Take a picture, then move the car a little bit and take another one. Do this until you have done everything you would like to show in the scene. Beware that you are moving the objects the same amount at any time. As a result, you will get a smooth animation. From time to time, you should check your animation by changing the menu and having a look at the replay. If you are done, go back twice in the menu until you reach the project settings. Now share all pictures and save as. Now select any folder on your device. We are not exporting it as a video, because using the app for it, we have less control of file type and compression rate, but we would like to have. Connect your device with your PC and copy every frame to the local hard drive. You can use any video editing software you have, but for this demonstration, I will use Windows Movie Maker, because it is easy and for free. Now click on the big empty window on the right side and select all pictures you would like to add. Per default, every frame is displayed 7 seconds, which is way too long for our use case. Therefore, select all pictures by pressing Ctrl A. Then go to the Video Tools tab and to Edit. If we are using 12 frames per second and we would like to calculate the duration of every frame, we have to divide 1 second by 12, which is round about 0.08 seconds. Now type that in. For exporting a video file, go to the Start, Save As, and now you will see you have a lot of different templates for your final file. If you're used to it, you could also define your very own preset. Congratulations, this is your very first Brickfilm. Now you can get used to stop motion animation. If you're losing the interest after a while, it is not a big issue, because you have only used things which are for free or you have already owned. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time when showing you how to improve your first Brickfilm setup.